now I will be walking you guys through what I did with my decor this year for fall, and here's a little overview. So we're gonna start at this couch. Ignore the Grove Collaborative box that I received yesterday. We will be going through that box in a future video, so stay tuned. And this is what the couches turned out to be like. I am in love, you guys. I don't think I've ever been this into orange for my fall decor before, but I am this year apparently. So for every season, all I like to do with my couches is trade out the throw pillows and the throw blankets. And these are my favorite pillows this year. You guys, they are the most amazing things I have ever seen and felt in my entire life. They are this suede material with some gold leaves on them. And as you saw in the shop with me, they had a brown version of this, but I fell in love with the orange. This mustard yellow throw blanket that I have right here, I got it last year from Target. This throw pillow is from the Target dollar spot last year. Again, another little pillow that I'm obsessed with is this Thankful one, and I thought they went pretty well with the burnt orange ones. They're a bit brighter. What makes these look brighter is I think the material. This is more of like a t-shirt material, and these are like a softer suede material, but this is definitely like a burnt orange, and it goes so well with the mustard yellow blanket. I think these two colors go really well together because they're very muted. But this one right here in the middle, I liked it because it was like such a bright pop of orange. And of course it says Thankful, and it's amazing. And initially I had just gotten 2 of the big pillows right there, but I did end up going back and getting 2 more, and you guys, they only had 3 left. I told you I had so many ideas for this one little pumpkin right here. Well, it's not so little, it's actually pretty big. So what I did this year is I found these 3 coffee table books from HomeGoods, and I stacked all of them up. I didn't think I was gonna actually use them in this decorate with me, and it kind of works in a weird way, even though the colors are very, very different. Especially with the pumpkin, it definitely tones down all the orange that I have going on in the apartment. Let's move on to the part that took me the longest time to decide what I was gonna do. Again, I loved it. I loved the outcome of it, but it definitely took forever. All I did in this part is rearrange or take out some of the decor from this area, from this section. So I brought this frame up from under here. I pulled in this pumpkin that I've had for years. I put the J and the K at the bottom, and that little fall arrangement down there as well. And this is where I put the fall sign, and I only ended up with 3 little pumpkins on here. And these green stems, I got them from an arrangement that I got from at home. And all of these little pumpkins have a glittery stem on them. They're so pretty. This one's like a persimmon orange. This one's your traditional orange, and then just white. These 2 candles actually came in a set of 4 along with these tea lights in here. And I like these candles because they're actually remote controlled, and I can set a timer on them. I can turn them on and off. They were from Michael's last year, and I do remember them being pricey though. I thought that this little mirror area right here didn't need much, but I didn't know where to put this little guy, and I definitely wanted to use him, so I just put him down there. And now we're moving into the dining area. I didn't want to do too much to this because if we needed to take all of this down, I wanted it to be super easy. This arrangement is actually from Walmart years ago. And then those other 2 candles that came in that set of 4. And this pumpkin shaped wreath I actually got from Ross years ago as well. I just have it at this wall. And right across from it, I have this one that I got from Michael's last year. And this one says, "Bless this home." Again, simple as can be for my dining room. Now we're in the kitchen, and this sign is actually not gonna stay there, I don't think. Just tell me these are not the most adorable things you have ever seen. They are glass pumpkins with LED lights on the inside of them, and they just glow so beautifully. Let me turn off the lights for a second. They just bring that autumn glow, those fall vibes. I just like anything that lights up, and I thought these were pretty low maintenance, especially for the kitchen. If anything splatters on them, I can just easily wipe them down and they'll be good to go. And you guys already saw these 4 little pumpkins. They look like they're attached to the lids, but they're actually not. I like keeping my kitchen counters pretty clear, so adding something on top of these, I mean, it's no fuss really. just if I need to get to those jars, I can just easily take them off, take what I need, and put them back on there. And I got this pumpkin pie sign last year from Target, and I think it was from the Target dollar spot. So I was actually not gonna put up this garland this year, but both George and I are obsessed with it. He said to me, we have put it up every single other year, so why not this year? And I said, you know what, if you want it up, you put it up. So he actually did, and I mean, I don't mind it. It's actually beautiful, and it has a string of LED lights in there, and it's actually really beautiful at night. And then this happy fall sign is from Target last year. All I did in the hallway right here was put these white fall flowers right here. Are they daisies? I don't know. Along with this clear jar that I found at Target dollar spot this year. And the orange flowers I already had from previous years. And then the filler leaves are actually from at home. And I also moved our picture right here as well. Here in the bedroom, I just added a pop of color. I kept everything pretty much the same. I found this decorative throw at Marshall's, and it actually took me quite a while to find the perfect blanket for in here. This blanket is a little warmer than I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be a little bit more muted. It's the closest thing I could find to what I actually wanted, and I like how it has all this texture on top of it and the fringe on the side. It's just a really cool blanket. Last year for my decor in my living room, I used a lot of mustard yellow, and I was obsessed with that, but I obviously had a different vision for the living room. I'm still obsessed with this color, so I just decided to use it here in the master bedroom. I love playing with different textures, as you can see by my throw pillows. And speaking of throw pillows, I found the mustard yellow throw pillows at HomeGoods. And the pillow with the pumpkin on it, my sister got it for me at Hobby Lobby. And then the rest of the pillows in the back, they're the same as always. And like I said, I like to play with texture, so this one's like a normal pillow material, and then there's a satin one, and then there's those really furry ones in the back. Those are my standard ones that I use with, and I just changed out a few things in here. Moving into the master bathroom, so we have this flower arrangement from HomeGoods, and then this beautiful ceramic pumpkin right here I've had for years. Come on, focus. I keep my cotton squares in there. And then in the other corner, the Harvest Gathering hand soap we actually got this year. Haul coming soon. Like I've said to you guys before, I like using our Bath & Body Works soaps as home decor. And moving on to this little crate, basket, whatever you want to call it. It's actually from last year from HomeGoods. And then these beautiful face towels actually came in a set of 6 from Ross years ago, you guys. I think I bought them our first year we got married, and I've kept them ever since. And they've stayed pretty much in their original state all these years, and I am obsessed with them. I put them out every single year, and they seem to go with every single home decor. So if you guys have a Ross, definitely check them out. And I mean, some of the pieces are like really tacky. You can find some really good treasures in there, but you just have to look really hard. And then moving on to the guest bathroom, I have the same floral arrangement as I have in the master bathroom. This soap is actually from last year that we had left over. We really like this scent. This is sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and it smells so good. And then this acorn here I've actually had for years as well, and I got this from Marshall's like 3 years ago. And again, it just every year it goes well with everything. And here are the same 3 face towels that I have in the master bathroom as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below what colors you decorated for fall this year. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!